If you want to delete any application on your Mac, let me show you the simplest way to do it. So the very first option you have is you could come down to this bottom menu and click on Launchpad. And then with all these applications, just press and hold on any one of them. And some of them are going to have the X here. And this lets you uninstall that application. But these only work for applications that you got from the App Store on your Mac. So a lot of applications you see don't have the X. But if they do, that will be the easiest way to do it. That's the first option I'm going to show you. Now, let me show you the second option that works for every application. Come down here and click on your Finder window. And you're going to get this Finder window here and go to the application folder over here. If you don't see this, by the way, all you have to do is go up to the menu here, click on Finder, click on Settings. And then here, if you go to the sidebar, just make sure Applications is turned on right here. You have a check mark, and then it's going to appear over here on the left side. Now here, if you find the application you want to delete in the Applications folder, go ahead and press Control and then click with your mouse. And then it's going to have an option, Move to Trash. Now on the very bottom, I have an option that says Uninstall with CleanMyMacX. I'll show you this in a second. This is a different software that makes it really easy in one click. But in this case, I could go ahead and move this to trash and then just go up here and do a quick search for VLC, the name of the application that you deleted, and go to the applications folder to see if anything else is related to that application. Now, as I'm clicking on this, I could see the path. So this one is in Utilities, Adobe folder. So this is not related to that. So this is a little bit confusing sometimes when you're finding other things that have the same name, but they're actually not the same exact application. So this one I don't need to delete, and the application has been already deleted. So that's the second option. Now the third option is using a software to take care of this for you. If you're non-technical, this is a software I've used for over 7 years. So if I want to uninstall anything that is on my computer, all I have to do is find it like this right here. I could click it, I could see the size, and then I could go ahead and click uninstall in one click. And then it's just gonna take a second here and it's gonna fully uninstall it, and it's gonna show me how much space that I've cleaned up. It's got a lot of other things like cleaning your Mac, speeding up your Mac, removing malware, and clearing up a lot more space too, just using these quick options over here. This does have a paid upgrade. It has a free trial with a paid upgrade. So I did want to mention this as one of the options, but the other two options I showed you should also manually remove anything. For non-technical people though, an app is always a good way to go. All the resources are in the description. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.